Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to show you how tiered pricing works within Unleashed. Now, there are two ways we could look at tiered pricing. We could look at it from a customer perspective. So different customers receive different prices. So a wholesale customer may receive better pricing than a retail customer. We could also look at it from a quantity-based discount level. So once a certain quantity is reached in an order, the price would therefore drop down to a different tier. So let's jump in and we'll check it out together. So here I am in Unleashed under the product 40 kilo bag of easy mix cement. I'm just going to navigate to the sales tab here, which has all of my pricing. You can see my default sales price is $20 per unit, and below that I've got all of my different pricing tiers. So I've got 5 pricing tiers set up: cash customer, retailer, distributor, wholesaler, and my AUD sales price. And as you can see here, I've got 20, 20, 17, 17, and 17 as my respective pricing. So what it's saying is that if my cash customer places an order with me, they'll receive $20 as the price of this product. Whereas if my distributor places an order with me, they'll be paying $17 for each product. If I click onto my quantity prices, this is my other set of price tiers. I can put in a minimum order quantity, let's make that 11. So as soon as 11 units are placed in an order, it's going to change my pricing structure. So I can put this in as a fixed price or a percentage discount. So I just want this to be $18, so I'm going to make the fixed price, and it's going to be from my default sale price tier, and then I can hit add. So what that's saying now is if I place an order for 11 units, it's going to update all of my pricing to $18 per unit. So this just highlights the flexibility that Unleashed gives you with your pricing. You can not only set up price tiers based on customers, but you can also override those with quantity-based discounts with both fixed price and with percentage-based discounts. I hope that was a useful demo. If you'd like to learn more about the concept in general, there's a link to a short explainer video here. If you'd like to learn more about Unleashed itself, click through to our webinar page for an in-depth tour.